Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add coupons to Shein app. So in order to do so, first of all launch Shein application. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now from the home page of Shein, you have to choose any of these categories in order to place an order for a product so that you can use your coupon. So in my case, I'm going to choose this category and simply tap on this product on top. Now from here you can see a variety of options before purchasing this product. Now after viewing in all these details, you simply have to tap on the option of Add to Cart in order to proceed further. Now simply tap on the cart option at the top of your screen. Here we go. Now once you are here, make the selection on the item that you are about to purchase. After this, simply tap on the option of checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you come here, make sure that you have entered your shipping address and then also choose the shipping method according to your preference. And below, you have to choose the payment method. Now if you scroll down below, you'll see the option of apply coupon. So if you tap on that option, you will come to this page where you will see a variety of coupon options right over here. You can see the coupon that is recommended for me. Now, if I tap on the option of other coupons, you can see the coupon code is entered automatically on top. So for now, I'm just going to simply select this option of 20% off. Now, all you have to do is tap on continue at the bottom and then tap on place order. So this is how you can simply apply coupon on Shein. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.